one coloring book. And you know me represent for Wrld TV. For the people and only for the people. And you see a movie here in him, good friend turn enemy. Jaja youth, good friend turn enemy. People just look out there on the eye, 1 foot in and 1 foot out in any relationship you deal with. Anyhow, watch a movie to the end. And when you watch a movie, tell who you like, who you don't like. Just comment, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Remember, big up Puppy Dan, my general. And you know, say, a coloring book TV that. Boom, you know, me fly out and I go in America, me big up some fans from California. Andre, a far away I come from, I always give me a strength. Big up yourself. I want to talk about Jamaics and lady out from our California. Whole California link up. And me I tell you to Teflon, big up yourself. Bad artist. Me just so boom, you know, I'm fly back come to Jamaica and reach Augustown. So me I talk about Kim. Happy belated birthday and you gone from August 29. You're real fans. You always support me on TikTok. A matter of fact, people. C-Book 876. Go on over TikTok and look for my video them. You see me motivation video. What you like, what you don't like, you don't like. But big up your whole Augustown. When I left Augustown, I come to Spanish Town. Roger. Big up yourself. Rachel, Finey, big up yourself. Happy belated birthday, you see me? I mean, I wish you all the best in a school. Remember, one coloring book I represent for Wrld TV for the people and only for the people. Big up all of my fans them. And remember, good friend turn enemy. And remember, Black Godfather TPN, Joe. I mean, I talk about Biggs. I mean, I talk about all of Black Godfather TPN. There and all on the room. Mommy, you can't out that for me, please.
You're so done.
Mommy, just out the cigarette for me now, please. This not good for you, mommy. Here we are, cough and go on, mommy. You know, so when you smoke this, I got to make you worse. See that? You cough, mommy, and you smoke it craving, said me. You must something with damage your stomach, you know. From when you do your result, mommy, I know you're not going to pick up if you know what happened to you. You cough every day and I don't know what happened to you. You don't know what happened to you.
I don't know what happened, you know.
No, mommy, me want to know what happened to you. You can't just do it every day so I feel ill.
Listen to me. The reason I'm not going to pick up your head, I'm afraid to pick up your copy.
Boy, better you know, mommy. Better you know you can't sit down here and make what you don't know go hurt you off. This has stressed me out because I don't know why you're ill and you don't know why you're ill. Better you know why you're ill so you can't treat it, mommy. Not sure you're my mother and you bring me up on the earth and I feel like if me I say something to you, you not can't hear me I say. This has stressed me out, you know. Me hardly can't sleep at night time. Sometimes as me look upon you, I feel cry. Sometimes I just strong, I strive to keep strong for you, mommy.
Listen to me. I'm not ready to pick up, you know. I don't know what I'm going to do in find in first place because I don't want to find out what to do.
Mommy, I alone me have here. And I just want you to always understand. I don't want to feel left out, mommy. Remember my father gone, you know.
Hello, nobody
I don't know father, you saw with me, you know, mommy. I alone me have you, so, you know.
I don't want to hear nothing about your father. I don't want to hear nothing about your whoring papa.
But mommy, I can't make way on him and make you cuss me about him, mommy. And my father, you have to understand that.
And sometimes I'm sorry say that the father they get. I don't know why me never got the look for a different man. you come here and rise up my blood pressure about father. Don't talk to me about no father. When I talk to me about you and me.
Mommy.
You alone me care about in this world. I'm not business about father.
But me care about you,
He should
mommy.
have dead and then he should have dead again.
Mommy, me care about you like you don't care about yourself, mommy. This no look good for you, you know?
About father.
The only
If
person
he in a
that
grave, what he can do
understand me
for
a
you?
coloring book.
Me always hear you talk about this coloring book, you know.
I want my brethren them, mommy. And kind of save me one time still. From the youth, them always a try to beat me up and tell me about me a jacket. Mommy, is that I just so much depression me I got through, you know?
My son.
People are road that try bully me. My mother not okay. Me not okay.
Listen to me. My name ain't for none of this happen to you, you know. But life just hard. And life just take a U-turn for you worse.
Mommy. Just see if I can get like a fan breeze. I link, as I say, I link my brethren in the coloring book. Because I'm alone, I can vent to. I'm alone, can calm me down as a brethren and talk to me. So I'm going to link him.
Yeah, man.
Please.
Why gonna link him?
I beg you, mommy. Go a doctor.
Me I go down there, man. Me I go
Collect
down
is
there.
something we need to find out what so you can cure the sickness.
Alright, me I go down there, my son.
I love you, mommy.
Love you too, my son. Just go and go link your friend and come back. I'll link your friend.
Mommy. I love you, yeah?
Love you, my son.
Let's do it right for your son.
I'm gonna do right fit, man. I'll go down there. Yo, I'm not like God doctor, no man. Show my son now. I do right for my son and done.
I would not find another lover sweeter than you, sweeter than you. Now I would not find another lover. Babes. Oh morning, man. I really not feel good still. Just say me not go up on the road and forward back. How you feel? Come here, not feel good.
Man, I have a terrible headache.
You want a terrible headache? Oh God, my baby man. I apologize about that.
So what?
You know I catch flu, you know. You know, say, I go down on the road, I get some money, and getting the money, I just think about you, all of what we go through. You know, when you have a person in your life and you know, say you love him, but you ain't really appreciate him the way you appreciate him. I mean, not really bring up back my past, but yo, like, me do you wrong 2 times and cheat on you last year. I know me change now, but I really apologize. You know, I'm like how me I live you now. It's me. Point to me, I try to tell you something, just get you something, you see me? Yeah. Just get you a look and watch. Now this have to just show you appreciation. You know? Yeah, man. Boy. I say, man, like you put on weight, man. Daddy will take care of you.
It's alright.
Yeah, take your time.
I'll tell us something, babe. Sometimes I think about all the things and what you do me, you know. And you see, me think if me overthink it, I don't know what will happen in this relationship. So sometimes I just try to, you know, like get you out of my brain. But me forgive you, but me will never forget what you do. You understand what I say? So I just say things it still. One more I ask you though, differently. When I get money for deal with the visa.
I do tell you the honest truth. You know, sometimes in a work you have to pay people. Because the contract them I get now, you know, that much. So when I try to do, I don't want to get money piece. I try to put the whole of the money together, you can go about your visa and everything. You see me? So I have the money I look out. Just don't want to give a piece.
I understand.
And one more thing to babes. When we just forward from town come down here, I never book here. I never have no family, I still not have no family down here. You understand? Just one youth my book. One youth name popular. Right now to today day me no family, no surname. I just want youth, I try to bully him. I try to fight him. I'm just tell him say yo, none of that. And for just some spirit kind of just take him. When I come down here, I just have a lot of girls to me work and I make money. So during the time I book you, I still have a girl. So I never value, you see me? So now I value, I apologize still, you see me? But I know so one day I hope you can forgive me. But you love me, right?
I love you.
Alright.
You don't have to question about that.
I have one more present for you.
I could have that now.
You just close your eye and trust me.
Alright.
Close your eye. Okay. I'm going to eat you now. Close your eye. Alright, one nice. Close your eye. Close your eye. Close your eye. Good things come to those who wait. Close your eye. Alright, babe. Can open your eye now.
Be you serious?
Serious as the day me born there.
Yes.
You happy?
Babe, I'm overexcited.
You deserve it, man.
God, no.
Listen. As me say, I don't have a lot of friends down here. So I just go link my Virgin Puppy and just telling me good news. Oh God, I love it. The man deserve it here. Yeah, man, I don't come up here wrong when I do here. Alright. I'll tell Puppy Danny good news soon come here.
Alright. But babe, let me tell you something. Me always hear you talk about this puppy Dan. No hope one day me get to meet him. Like, seriously.
I just look at you to my spirit take. I don't like friend. That's one of the reasons why I'm down here. But I make you meet him.
Alright.
Alright, I'm soon forward here.
Yeah.
You love you here.
Love you too.
Alright.
And be safe now.
As usual.
I can't believe so I really Clarence proposed to me.
Yo, what you look for on the side, brother?
I just walk past and I look for that, I don't mean no way.
Follow over son.
What do you mean far over?
Yo, follow over son. Me tell you where I'm going.
Let's say I'm going.
Forward no man.
Talk to me in my
Forward
ear.
no man.
Father, just talk to me in the ear. If you forward, yes, I'm here father. So.
Forward no man. Alright, that's some man check you for you. What you do? You don't have no money?
What do you mean if me not no money? Where you depend?
You don't have
Stop search up my pocket now, dog. I got to call me for my mother money me have in my pocket. I want to oh. Hey, brother, easy na youth. Brother, every time you see man, I know I try to deal with man certain way. Easy na youth. Man, let go for me now, brother. Virgin, you can't take out my mother money, dog. My mother buy my mother medication, youth.
Fire, brother. Tell her mother say money last.
Brother, give me mother money na youth.
Man, hold on, man. Tell her mother say usher, brother, usher. Okay, now medicine your mother wants so that.
Brother, give me mother money na youth. Just give me mother money na please, youth. Give me mother medication, youth.
Yo, easy.
Just give me mother money na me a beg you.
Why you juice, brother? Why you mousse, brother? Me ain't no friend.
Brother, 100 lad. Every time when I see me a sound deal with man and a dog.
Come here, get money and you move
Yo.
like you know, take it dog. On brother.
Every time a man see me, man try bad
Hold on
me
there.
up youth.
It's a same youth.
I'm same one man the last time when
No problem, so youth.
What kind of problem? Me and my friend there saw a reason he tell me say my boy.
What kind of friend?
I
So
know
me
so
and a
you
friend.
deal with friend, bro. You beat up him, man. Well, I know this is you tell me say what you beat up, yeah.
I am same one I help me out, man.
Go on, go on, bro. You love too much problem.
No, I have my money. If you buy my mother. To buy my mother medication.
Money for what, brother? Enough for my money.
Hey, I'm 3,600.
Give money, bro.
So violence.
Give money, bro.
Alright.
Go on, yeah, dog. You love violence, you.
Alright. You see how you, my brother want all in, you know. Second time you see how violate me, you know.
Hey, boy.
Second, yo.
No tired, no bother with it.
Bro, when you go stand up as a man, and stop make people at disadvantage of you, bro.
I pass and the man a run extortion for my father. You miss me account link, you know?
Brother, you have to set an example, bro. You have to set an example, bro.
That's true, yeah, that man. But
If you have to go spend on 3 months out there, set an example, because you see the first example where you set, me can guarantee you, see the rest of them, when you beat up it and want to try to beat up you, them are going to get the message. Set an example, bro. Because if you don't set an example, everybody come and go step on your foot.
Disadvantage, man.
Are you me say me account link, bro?
I same thing, are you me account link?
Yo.
Watch, you know? I'll go up a face side for a reason. I like when you all talk about brother and so.
Brother, I'm not really afraid of people, but come on,
no, man.
I'm not
Certain
really
problem I can avoid. Jaja.
Yo, dog. Big boy. You know some boy see me it's the second time man I violate me, dog.
Who violated?
You, I think I tired near then call him, dog. I second, yo. Say I mind my business. But just see, I cheek wax me feel one time in a trick, dog. I not even know what happened. And yo, dog, I say man take out ratchet off of me, dog. I run, me have to run. Right now, I'm not even know if me get cut to me.
3 back.
One time.
And you not do nothing, you just stand up.
You know, here say the man pull out ratchet off of me. What me for do? Me an iron man. Me an a man of steel. What you want me for do?
I want to get this spine straight in the car. I don't want to go put myself in trouble and then I go hear say Ray and Tay and this go on. You do the man then nothing?
Brother, you see how they them the money till one youth. Forward and say, yo, forward over here, sir. I say forward over there, so for chat them with some respect, no man. Cause
In a fair place.
well, I walk and I kind of glimpse him, say, so I look on him, so I say forward over there, so. But to me voice rough and sitting, then I go over there, see dog start feel on pocket, say, yo, when you hungry, you want that lunch money, I say, brother, let go off from me now. Said time, him shot me a box to yo. Dog, then when me take my money, I say, give me money. I had a man that forward, dog.
You know me darker than shadow, you know. So me no want you go tell me a story when I go so. And then me have to go out there to go. Where am
You know, bro. Try to pull up this dog.
Forward.
Come on.
I have to respect again to you, no, father. No, no, see, I say you're dark like a midnight, you know. Brother, them no man they been a push badness to me, I mean, I do man them nothing, you know. Never know, say I say you're terribly youth.
Bro, you want me to say no man? Me I want to youth them in like violence.
Where you come from?
Me violence, but me don't love it. I don't really come from here, you know, bro. I kind of just come here to come find a better life, you know. I run from a place because only
I go there, boxing, you're not sure. No boxing,
No boy, man. Listen, no boy.
Over here, man. Come like my name, gone, dog. But yo, alright.
A joke thing in the
You know what
pattern.
kind of joke thing? Right now, you hold on my mouth, and I still have me to him and them box me hard, brother. What kind of joke thing?
Brother, you know more that time me tell you say don't make no boy touch up on the road.
Oh, you two of them.
And me give me tool them. Eh? And you make boy a box you up out the road. Brother, you see all the boy there? If me ever hold him, I got a root, not even God can come down and tell me say enough to kill him.
Yeah, man, you know, I forgot this, so dog. Can't.
Make this happen again.
Man, when
Make this happen again. And you see if you are my brother. Go on up. Go on up. Turn off the pot for the fire. Oh, you see that? Wait till me hold a boy. Yo, my little brother. Me a teach you to grow up, boy, and you move like a fool. Yo, wait that, yo. Make sure that boy there no come from.
but things are going on and me get involved with. Me innocent to what go on, but me not innocent to what go on. You never watch football?
Yeah, man.
You know people that play defense on the field?
Yeah.
Me not play defense in my life. Not forward.
Okay, I get what you're
Yeah,
saying.
some of those
Yeah,
Legos.
that's a defend your thing.
Right, some of those Lego and I try I can better life.
Yo, you know how me rate it though? I know every man out there I go want to be friend with that man, you know. Nowadays, the man out just want bad up certain man. You see me like, they just want war. You know, you see a man bad me up on something and you just step in, me know you from nowhere. The first time I see a that deal,
me not like bully you.
And then see second time you know, you can help me again in the same situation. And you not to know me like that. We just build a good friendship bond.
Yo, my spirit kind of take a dog. I mean, I not really rate people, you know. I don't like people, I don't trust people. I even trust myself. I like staying in my lane, but I just not like bully. But you want to go and steal me, G. I will tell you again, you can't make people take disadvantage of you. True. You see me? One of them day, when them step on your foot, you have to just, you know, matter if you get to me and say, bro,
why?
If you not stop with them, I'm going to do it for the rest of your life.
What heap of things me I could train in general. So you see me, you know.
What you have to show?
Soldier, you know. Mother have one sickness right now, and me I tell her say, me
what
know
kind
what
of
kind of sickness. She don't know what kind of sickness. And we want to know what kind of sickness.
So we make you bring her to a doctor.
Bring her to a doctor and she do one test, and it's like my mother does a play stubborn. She's got collect a test from when so we can know what. And mommy nah do it. Mommy a smoke. Right now, I left her up there, cough and everything. Them things are stress me out, you would.
I understand what you say.
Sometimes I feel if you just run away, but I can't run away because of my mother. I love my mother, I don't want nothing to do her.
Bro, I'm doing it almost 2 years now, bro. You see me? And it's like, I don't want to know nobody, I don't want to have no friend. When I just come down and I work, dog, I work on the site till I learn trade. Now, I am my own boss. I pay people. I have a lot of women and I waste my money. I book a woman, she named Tia. But I never know, so I care about her. You see me, I mean, I cheat on her. Because I just feel like I want to run around, dog. And she come out of my life. And when I realize when she come out of my life, I just realize I care about her. She give me back a chance, bro. So the reason why I come check you now, bro, I said that, I said this. I just propose to her.
God
so
no.
you, I say me I come link, we come get it good. You see me, G? In a real life.
Man,
I'm going to tell you something, G. I know you got your stress. But in a real life, I save up some money because she want to go foreign. Go deal with some little business. And I save up some money for the ring. But you want to be the best man, G. Because I say I don't know nobody down here.
No problem, my father.
Yeah, man.
You
but you want to go on.
Like how you give me your strength.
Any problem with your mother, dog, you can make me know. You can link me, G. In a real life.
Father. And I told me I go still car our medication, some of them kind of done, some of them go fill back the prescription.
You have one. I really walk with whole money still me kill about. This alone me have right now.
Yeah man, no problem man.
You see me?
Whole respect, you see me?
See them look at you there. The youth will beat up you. From me look on him bro, I realize I know I'm bad boy now. He come like he have a strength. You see me? And he come like him. Thank you, my friend. So walk when you see him on the right, just take your left here. Right, problem no good, my friend. Here.
If anything, make sure to, isn't it?
Yeah, man.
I'm going to
stay blessed. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Alright. Jaja youth. All of what happen right now, over and over, that my left town from me, problem. And he come like just to help out a person, I'll get myself back in a problem. Father God just guide me. You see me? All I eat in them, the demon, the crosses, and just keep them out of my place, Father God. Because I don't want to reach me, I don't reach me, but then I'm getting a problem again.
Taxi thief. 500 dollars come up here. Thief man. I'm trying to go and build a video. I'm going to go see me now over there.
Mommy. Auntie, you good?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm going.
Yeah. Mommy. Mommy can't hurt.
How you look so? What kind of car this for you? What happened to you? What one?
Mommy, when I come up a while ago, I tell you say when I big stone them in a lane tree, stone them big and thick. I go up my toe and I drop and I get a little crown and something, mommy.
Do you have a shirt, so?
No, this is the on the shirt already, man.
You sure that you already on the shirt already?
Yeah, mommy, the on the shirt already, mommy.
So you're not bust your head?
No, I just a little creep me get cause me drop near one fence so I kinda cram in it little.
You sure some of them boy out the road beat you up?
Nothing like that, mommy.
You are telling me lie now? Cause you
mommy.
could drop a stone crap up your neck this
Me never say stone, mommy. Me say when
Listen
me
to me.
drop at close to the fence cram me.
Yeah, tell me lie. As bad as thing maybe. If you don't like your papa, if you ain't ever there, that could happen. So try and make sure no boy out the road beat you. Look for your neck. Look for this a crier.
I don't see them back from the first time, mommy. And I'm nothing like that.
Watch out, so watch out. Oh, what kind of dig out this? What is that?
I say, mommy, when me drop side I fence, so me drop side I say fence just cram me and me get a little cut as I want a little cram in neck. That me I explain to you, mommy.
Right now, and you have to tell me like your papa go in and grave a turn and twist. Cause that could happen. Now you want back water and come back.
Something not go good with mommy. No, mommy not alright. Cause from me a forward, it look like mommy a do something and she will see me a forward. She a shuffle up. And mommy they a cry. Something alright.
Why me, Father God? Why me? Oh my God, tell me son.
Mommy, alright. As long as you take up your water. Mom.
May I come, may I come? May I come? Yeah, me good now, may I come?
This strange.
I tried the kind of house, no ice in it, so I didn't wash off here over the sink.
Oh, okay.
See, melt out.
Yeah, go up on the road if you do it.
Yeah, me go up on the road now, me go out, me walk over there.
So, you not get it?
Then say I want bad cough me have. Then say like so cold upon my stomach, yeah, so I want bad cough, that's why I cough so often. But I say, me so wait read that, man.
So I could see result like look on here. So.
Me not get the result. Then say them go then do another X-ray per year so.
Oh,
so in time me get the X-ray paper, me gonna get the result. Then just tell me what happened.
Okay. Sorry, my name for you still because you know sometimes you have to do it with your son or something. So you don't want to eat though.
I know. I don't more of it right now. Right now I'm stressed out. Coffee upon the smoke stress me out, man.
Your son there with you. God on time. Who feels it, knows it.
No, but me still not like them up here, you know.
No, mommy, I tell you, say, me drop a fence, I just the fence cram.
Are you sure you're not telling me no lie?
I tell you no lie, mommy. Are you sure you're not lie to me, mommy?
No, man, I don't let my son. My son would never do that.
But mommy, you know say since day me and coloring book attack and coloring book tell me say he engaged in woman. I tell you say me feel so proud for him and the thing is me not know him like that because I just all today me I know say a town him come from.
That's nice,
Me
man.
never know all of that.
Same propose and the girl say yes.
Yeah man, and matter me say the girl named Tia. But me not get to
Who?
meet her. Tia.
Tia.
Listen to me. I want to hear me, you know. And I want dirty girl, you know. So I hope I same tea.
Me no meet her, mommy.
You don't meet her, so you don't know her?
I don't know who that. Me just know so she name Tia.
Oh.
But
Me
mommy must
say,
have more than one
you see
Tia.
a girl named Tia. I want a wicked girl, snake on the grass. Two-sided machine.
You know woman?
Me don't know if she, but me I tell about the girl when you Tia. Anyone she, me don't want you meet the girl because the girl they are wicked.
So what
The girl they are snake.
So what the Tia where you talk about what she do?
You will see the right so and take your black off your eyeball. That thing we do. You wicked.
Me not think that she still mommy come. I say engaged she come.
Me tell us and you other girl there.
So mommy then again no pill for your cough, you know that.
Then give me one injection for my shoulder.
So we give one pill or some medicine or something.
Then give me some antibiotic.
So mommy come on, go make you take them now. Me go make one pack soup for you.
I later they have take. I don't know.
I make one pack soup for me. I make one for you too, mommy. Cause me not,
Right.
you know, eat nothing for a morning.
Me eat, man. Me go on the road, me get something to eat, man.
Well, take your pill them now, mommy.
Me say me take them later.
Alright.
Cha-cha.
Baby, I'm missing you like crazy. Missing you like baby, L-O-V-E. I love you.
You know, long me call the phone. Oh, me come here and call the phone, me can't get you.
Oh shit. Sorry babes, come here, push for me get the phone now and pick up.
They are blackout every minute. Me just feel like my head feel light and need something. Me don't know what do me like. Seriously, maybe me have to go to a doctor when I in there or something to find out.
No man, feel right. What on babe? They say you black out every minute.
Yeah, me there, me just feel weak out and just black out and sit down me and call there and I get you.
Me I want to say for the sun, cause I want different sun out here now, you know.
Why me don't know?
The heat wave and them thing, and me can't really deny or place me better and say at that. So maybe you have to bring a doctor to go find out what one if you don't feel better.
I really need to go.
Okay, if you black out every minute you get something can happen to you when you get to call me. And I don't want nothing there. Cause I don't bring a guy the altar yet. You see me? You understand? I don't want nothing there. Sorry man. As I talk about that.
Come sit down because
Yeah.
I feel weak.
Take your time. Just take your time.
Yeah, I must say differently. They are friend gone and me just like my brain just going on one thinking mood way. Me I think and me I
Because
say
me done tell us I'm sorry already for everything I'm put you through.
I
You
know
know?
nothing like that man and that me I talk about. You talk about this puppy dan, right?
Oh, Puppy Dan. I'm just
And
going, you know.
something just flashing on my brain way. Me I say me know somebody named Puppy Dan, one short,
Take you out.
thick,
Big
big
belly.
belly.
Yeah.
You would.
Eh.
And if me right at him mother named Alia. And I
don't know your
don't
mother. I don't know your mother. Never meet her yet.
if I that the same puppy than name. His mother named Alia. And I don't
Mother one good
like good man way. A witch that.
You know your mother?
Me know him mother. And me I tell her say if I that the same puppy than name. And his mother named Alia is a wicked woman. She's a witch. I don't like her. None at all me not like her.
Listen. Nobody run up your blood pressure and stress out. Maybe I just the wrong person. You're misunderstanding. You understand?
Why?
Two Puppy Dan humble and them thing there, bro. Like, maybe he come from one good breed. Well, maybe his father, me I know his father. You know his father? Oh, your shirt. Your shirt, you hot.
Hot
Why you have to
man.
wear my black shirt here? That's why time hot.
I first shirt me take up out of your jaw this morning.
So you know Puppy Dan father? I want good man or what? One if I want good man or in grow tough or something. Cause puppy down my birthing, but every minute me youth them out the road, I beat him up and something. When me say me I go leave and go check puppy down, you know. I reach out the road and see the youth them one youth I beat him up again. It's same youth me I tell about, you know. Puppy down he just look soft like I don't want you to like violence. So that's why I ask if you know him father, if him father rough.
Your father alright.
Oh, you don't really know him like that then. So what me answer now, babes? You want me to bring a guy doctor or what?
I want to go doctor because I have to find out what do me. Because something alright, I can't black out. After another day it happen, you know. But I get
just tell me.
I never did I take it as nothing, but it get worse now.
Alright, listen. Me I just, if me not get the money by Friday, me just draw some money and bring a guy doctor. And as a chat board, me just wanna make you know, say puppy dan happy. Me must say me not have no friend down here. You see me? And by any idea, me just ask him to be the best man if that's alright with you. You get what me I say? You see me?
But if you ask him to be best man for me,
yeah.
I hope him woman not come at a wedding, you know.
Me
just
me not like crowd.
Sometimes you invite somebody a wedding, then tell somebody about wedding and then the woman
me not like
come.
crowd. Yeah, by any idea, me say maybe mother is a good lady. Me not know her. Me can't tell. Me just not know her. But anyhow, nobody stress on that, man. You get what me I say? Nobody stress on that, man. Oh God, one more thing we me really need to tell you, because it bother me, you know. You know, so why me need to tell us I have to draw some money right now, bring a guy doctor. You know, say money I have to give up it on.
You give up that money for what?
Just listen to babes. Then say sometimes you have to help people. As me say you just, my spirit just take him. The youth, I tell me say his mother sick. His mother sick and he don't know how. So you say when the youth them beat him up now, some money you not go for. You know, to all say mother. So me just give me money. You understand, and tell him say you just do what you have to do, man. His mother sick bad. And I kind of feel for him because sickness not good enough. And see it right now, you sick. You see me?
That the money the way you give puppy than for give mama could have carry me to a doctor, you know.
Babes, not talk like that.
Any sickness what she have over there, you know what, from 6 feet under she figure. She a wicked.
Babe,
and a life she fi
analyze. Sure, if I the same woman where you talk about.
Big mind just tell me say she. Cause from me describe puppy than you can say yes in short and stout and something. And she a wicked, she a witch, me not like her, none time me not like her.
Listen, calm down. Tomorrow, puppy dan, cause by an idea, if I go be best man, me have to introduce him to you. So tomorrow you can know before you run up your blood pressure and you for the right person you talk. You understand? Just calm down, man. Now run up your blood pressure.
Me calm. A good man.
Alright. Just calm down here.
Wicked girl Aliyah. Come bring up back memories in my brain now.
Auntie, mommy. Morning. I can't cry. Mommy.
Boy.
You know, say something I feel like you hide from me. When you go to doctor yesterday, mommy, it's like your whole entire mood where you did there with. You look different from when you did there, mommy. I feel like the doctor tell you something. Some type of sickness you have different from where you tell me, mommy, and you hide it from me. I mean, you alone in a mommy, you know, you hide nothing from me, you know.
My son, listen to me. Mom, I hide nothing from you. I'm sorry I didn't lie to you, but after they say me have cancer.
You have what? Wait, say where go, mommy?
Doctor, they say me have cancer.
Cancer, like. Jesus Christ, man, I gotta go do now. Mommy, I not believe that, mommy. What you say I have?
Cancer. Say you cannot believe me, see that. Really.
Mommy, I wait man now, Fatal.
Really. Basically, they say they are stage 3 now,
Like,
but
seriously,
it's a run got stage 4 so we can't pass.
mommy. You come here straight here, yeah, I hate this, mommy.
I see anything where I didn't want to tell you yesterday.
Mommy,
Listen,
what
they
I'm going to do now? Mommy, you not have no money. Me not have no money. Me not work none
That's
at
the
all.
reason why me not send nothing to you, because me know you not work. Even though sometimes we get one little money.
Mommy, this really bother me right now, mommy. Mommy, so what do you say about this now? Explain more to me now, please.
Well, basically, doctor them say we cancer they know stage 3, but it a move rapid, it a develop fast. I got stage 4, but the medication them very expensive. But if me get them and me start take them now, me can fight it and me have more time.
Boy.
But they expensive and you not work and me not work and you don't know what to do.
Mommy, the only person I can turn to right now, a coloring book. Me never said this still, but me will say this still. It's the other day me a coloring book a reads and me a tell him about my mother. He must say if anything your mother want, anything to do as medication, if you check him. So me I go check him, mommy, and see what me can get. Because right now me can't afford to lose her. If me lose her, mommy, who me go have here with me? I just me alone go there here, you know. We done there already and I like we are going through suffocation, but we are going through hard time. Imagine when you go and left me. Just go and hold it. By the hook or by the crook. You go alright. I love it.
I love it so. Jesus Christ, I don't know where we are going to go. I don't know. Oh, I don't know.
I don't really know want to lose my mother. Yo, if anything about my mother, me I tell her the truth. All my boy they we beat man, me half a damage one of them youth. Right now, me I tell her see them my mother in a one situation and my mother can't pass the youth. And my boy they ever take disadvantage of man youth, but me I tell her youth.
So you feel now this morning, babes?
No, so I don't feel too bad though. I don't feel too good, if you understand, in between.
Yeah, I understand you, but although I'm not a doctor still, but I feel like, you know, you look really easy.
Sure, say that lane and boy and then.
You alright, that's how boy normally walk, man. You alright, that's what I'm sure about it.
Make sure you know, sir.
Yeah, I'm sure, man, I'm sure.
Yeah, tell you. Come man, you're good man. Don't worry about it, you're good.
Yeah, man, I'm forward, man.
Forward, you know. Come in there.
Alright, no
Come on.
Huh?
Come on. I think you're something good, Mr. Nara. You take my brother money one day.
No, I'm not take no money
Oh,
from him.
sir. When you chat to me, talk it short. Because
money
I'm darker than a short when you just buy.
Me
You hear me? I tell you?
general.
When you talk to me straight.
Just tell him man the truth now. I say you take my money all cut me back son.
Yo, tell me the truth. At this time, I bad me up for money and shot me 2 bucks.
This your boy your box, yeah?
Same man and Navy, brother. I'm going to come down here and feel like
You box my brother.
General, just let me explain
Box
myself
him
now.
back.
Let me explain myself now, my father.
You
Just let me
deaf?
explain myself now.
Box him back.
Alright.
Hurry up, my man. If you behave like your son. What I'm telling you, man? What you?
Father.
I do this. I joke. What me say if you do? What me say if you do?
Hold on.
Boy, when you get back, so all your face good.
Father, boy, you know, explain myself.
Put your on your side. Box him back.
Again?
You see if you not box him good.
Boy, you know, learn. You're a bad man. Yeah?
You see next time I see my brother, you leave my brother alone. You hear me I tell you?
Father, sorry, my father.
Go on up the road. And that have a T-dog. So tell him say come defend it. You hear me I tell you? You know.
Yo, you're
You tell him say a box boy.
Your
I
box.
see a box boy.
So me not see
You want me show you your box boy? Boy, come like say I know you not grow up. All me I try grow in a rough part, you still stuck in some soft baby. You know what I'm gonna do? All of my bad thugs in my white time, I make them get some broad switch. Anytime they see it, then give some lick. Let me see if you're not gonna grow.
You get last night, although when you really go far still, I look up 5 minutes, I feel like that help the gap still.
Yes.
And you look up pill them when you get to, you know. But you pill them again, Advil gel.
A good man, good.
Yeah. But you know me want not to be able to. Although me know you're sick, but sometimes when the oil store up in your back and you're fired, you know, and you release, you know. Cause right away you feel look a bit better.
And that with the man, sometimes them hold out for me too long, man.
Hold me, hold out, man. When you don't feel good, you don't like pressure, you know. You understand?
Rainbow.
Yo! That sound like a puppy dancer.
Father.
Bye, bro. Oh! Forward me, G, man. I'm my mom there, man. Me and my wife to be. A puppy than me, I tell you about you, baby.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, boy, bro, man. Only for love. Only for respect, man. Tia.
Puppy then.
Puppy dan. Tia. Yeah, man. I always tell about my wife to be.
Yeah,
And
man,
babes, me
only for
always
respect.
tell about puppy dan. You see me?
So how do you live in general?
Well, you know, just there, give my some massage and she no feel good and we just say we left from out of the house, cause time hot. So we just not get to know her. You know, the same time you pop up, me even remember, so me tell her say you for leave.
Yeah, man, I know say that one of the reasons make me forward over here too. You see me? Cause really and truly, just I go through a look of stress, you see me?
Sorry for that still, man, but you see God, sometimes we just doubt him. You see me? And him can just deliver. You see me? Anyhow, babes, remember say me don't tell us say me ask Puppy Dan to be the best man. All you tell me say it's okay, but I still have to explain in front of him. You see me? So you have something you want to say? Cause you see you know him differently.
I really know her still her first. Me I see her face.
Your face just look familiar. Your whole body, everything, boy, you just look familiar. Tell me something. What your mother name? Alia, don't.
Yeah, man, Alia.
Alia Williams.
Right. But you know my mother?
It's a small
Same way,
world.
mother.
Same Alia Williams, a fat,
You
brown.
know to tell, yes.
And
You
she's-
see it? You all always know one of that good family. You understand?
Yeah, man, we
Yeah,
got
man.
one.
Yeah, man.
Father.
Yes, I pretty different.
No disrespect. Me just beg you a minute to him, please. Me just want to say something to him personal. Cause you know my brethren and he always motivate me, so just want to say something.
No
to him.
problem, man. Me I contact you. Babe, him soon come here. Soon come. Yeah.
Shut up, God. Tell me now. Tell me, say, see him Puppy Dan with him mother name Alia, you know. You cross this woman. Sure.
Father, it's like,
Hold on. I know you bored them again.
boy, that's a one night, but bigger problem than that. But I'm start from the youth them. While I go me a forward out, so me I come give you a link. And me a forward out. Youth, brother, youth where you pull the red chick off for him, brother.
Yeah, you want to twist up
Yeah,
your
him
hair.
and him brother did it. And him brother asked me for you.
You have a
And I say,
brother?
yo,
You have a
man.
brother?
Yeah, man. Remember youth when he walk off the day, I tell you, say, yo, all you, my brother will want to hold you.
You know, so many were two medicine, bro.
I tell
But
you,
anyhow,
say, and he see me and his brother hurt me. and ask me say what colouring book there. I tell him say father, I don't know what colouring book
Brother,
there.
drape you.
Drape me. I'll count me and tell me say you don't want to hold. I'm going to deliver a message. You see me?
Catch you out.
Man, them a try bad me up and something again, but tell her real truth, my father.
I ask you a question. You're scared or you don't want to put yourself in a problem?
Just don't want to put myself in a problem. You know. My mother make me not put myself in a problem. You know.
As I talk about your mother, what go on for your mother?
My mother.
Because you know, say no disrespect, bro. From what you say, I know your mother. Like, me I feel some bad energy between your mother and my girlfriend or me wife to be. Like, something give me a bad energy, bro. Like, to me, when I get my wife to be, don't like your mother.
Well, if you tell her the truth, I don't know what going on, you know. Because you see, my mother based off of what she tell me. My mother don't like your woman neither. So, right now, I don't even know where they know they want they're from. What make them have that they hate each other for they want to call. My mother don't tell me. My mother only tell me, say.
My woman not tell me nothing. I mean, no, she hide something.
You know, my mother tell me, say, you don't want me to be around she.
And I see
that the woman there,
say,
we juke out the black out the eyes. So, I don't even know them a woman, them know for them history. Me
you
and
know,
man,
son, bro, me not really make for them thing where them don't want to tell
mash
me.
up our friendship.
Mash up our thing, bro. But by any idea, if we can't get to the top of it, we just get to the top of it. But what you say, right now, my sister, you look stressed out. What go on?
I have to tell her the truth. Right now, mother Dave really have.
Why? What? Your mother don't have no money, what?
Mother Dave really have long.
Why am I going foreign? You know have long am I going foreign?
No, you don't really have long in her early again if she no get a right amount of money for full her prescription. Because she go a doctor. She did hide this from. Remember me tell her she have a sickness.
Hold on. Because when I go to school, I sit down in front of the class. But you never good looking, I come in at the middle. And when I come in at the middle, I never like the crowd. So I come up back of the class, so I don't really understand what you say. She not have long, so just kind of break it down. Why she not have long?
Alright, she was a doctor. Remember me tell her she have a sickness.
You not say she have a sickness, yeah.
She get to find out she have cancer. And right now, it's stage 3. And if she don't get the medication, them, it can develop and go stage 4. And you know, stage 4 is the part where she can lose her life.
Jesus Christ, Father God.
Right now,
your mother have cancer?
I tell you, right now, I even have $1 to get the medication, then, bro.
Father God, you.
So right now, just check in and check.
You're sure? You're sure?
Sure, she show me paper, everything. When you see it, I feel like more blackout.
So that's stage 3.
And if she don't get the medication, them ASAP, she can go to 4, but she can lose her life.
That's why you're stressed out, dog. Father God, you.
Right now, I want money more. I want to borrow to get it. Because I have to, by the hook or the crook, I have to go look work. If I have to cut the yard, if I have to go sell banana, anything I have to do to make my mother get the money right now, that moment.
My sister, you take you really hard. My sister, you stress everything, but like your mother, I know she not going to take it too good, but like, before you leave from over there and come and give me information and all, like, how she take it?
She's not okay, you know, so I really am so long, go back to check on her.
Yo, brother, you have too much stress. Babes, may I come here? 1 second, please, here. Bro, don't watch that, man. That's so man stay, man.
I really miss that right now.
Bro,
My mind
you have
is
so
far.
much stress. The youth, them give you a problem. Bro, listen. Just give me a second. Yeah. Yeah, man, just don't move 1 second. You have one 30 pocket here.
Only for respecting the color and book.
Watch it, man. Just see what I can do. And see what I can do again. You see me? General, only for respect, bro. Me no know what he say. Me run out of words. I'm not really good for words. Can me tell you I'm in the back of the class. But just see what this can do. You see me?
Really and truly. I hope anything where your woman and my mother have, I hope you could have fixed, because right now, I know time for nobody live bad.
Yo, you wanna just find out the real truth. Me I will try to see me can find out the real truth. Matter of fact, if the youth them want to find me, me I go find them. Because where me come from, when people want to find me find them before me find me. But just sort out your thing. Don't worry about them here. Yeah, man. Just do what you can do that here. I try to say me can line up for you here.
Alright. Yeah, man, but I really appreciate that.
Fight here. Okay, if you don't fight it, you can if you can pull through. Big up yourself here.
Alright,
Yeah,
my
man.
father.
No touch me, baby. No, don't touch me.
Thank you.
Look how long me sit down here, so me all a buck and a drop asleep, and you over there start chat so long.
Listen.
Why problem?
Listen me. I know like me go on a football match or me go on down a road, you know. Or me go on a shop and live here, you know. You see say me and the youth attack. The youth having problem in stress. And me attack.
You're a
say me
counselor?
I'm not a counselor.
Eh?
But
So
me
you
I want-
having problem, you have to come and say
Okay.
the condership on you?
Me ask you a question. What important more in my life? You don't. But by any idea, you alone, not in my life. Me have a friend in my life. So if you see me help somebody, you feel grateful.
Alright, so what problem?
Suppose you want help and me not did for help you. The problem is when I try to show you stress out. You them a try to beat him up again. Him and his mother, the youth and his mother, in a some little stress where me don't know if me need want to tell you, because you just start act up right away. The youth mother have cancer.
So what me supposed to do? Me supposed to flat down pan the ground and a good fishy.
Why you say that? Why you hate the
It
mother
come
so
like
much?
you not understand what me I say. So she's a wicked woman, she's a witch. And what happened to witch? Eh? You realize that she have cancer? This thing will kill you faster than anything else.
Babes, right
You
now,
can't tell me about she have cancer like you want me. And that's what me do. I'm glad right now.
you just
glad
feel a way. Bro, you are somebody
That's
to
for
you
your
know.
business.
Blood
Where you
run
going
through
to
your veins,
house go do? Where you going to house go
Me
do?
go take out the money give the youth to help with the mother medication.
Hey! You gonna do what? You take out money after you have money for give me for your visa, right? Plus me tell you some me sick from other day, me a blackout and sitting and now me can't go to doctor. You gonna tell me say you take out money give. You say you see if I never one thing, I should even know.
Tia,
I really that you do?
why you hate the lady so much? Why you
Why
hate
me
puppy
hate
dance so
her
much?
so much?
Why you not tell
Hey.
me? Why you not tell me? Why you not dark? Why you
Everything
not tell
good,
me?
man. Everything good. You what? I should even know.
Father God, right now, me don't know if me do something wrong or me do something right. Me I try help out a situation and my woman make it look like, my wife to be make it look like me I do something wrong. Me I wonder if I the right thing me do for engage her and I think about to marry her. Cause right now from the ring go on and even the marriage ring and the engagement ring she change already. Father God, just guide me through this. Just guide me, guide she through this and guide Puppy Dan through this. Father God, you man, no man. Cha you out.
Well, I have a little bit of good news. You know, like a little bit of changes kind of making a certain way. Go over coloring book. And me and him there is for a good while and I tell me situation where you go through. And I like me a talk your business a road, but as me say, coloring book is my only friend and the only person I can turn to towards certain things. So I ask him to borrow money and he give me 30,000 for get the things and for
Coloring
medication.
book give you 30,000 for help me.
$30,000 a while ago.
Why? Me don't know coloring book, you know. But by if you how me see help me, no me not see me here he help you with all the youth them I know. He help you with medication so like I want good person. And why you give him tell him say me say thanks.
Mommy, I really have to make a step because I couldn't manage if this got stage 4. I tell him I don't know how I would have managed without you or something.
I seen this evening, Sharon come over here and through she, you know, she Sharon have the same cancer business like me, so she did go fill her prescription and me there and already they talk and send her for me one and she buy it for work but they don't want to not go work.
Not work none at all.
They don't want to just go easy, go coughing, easy for a little while. But the
First
real
thing-
one them don't want.
First thing in the morning, I go get the medication then, man. But mommy, I say to you though, the tea we are talk about,
We haven't chanted name for
just calm down, mommy, please. Tea we are talk about, she fat.
yeah,
and
one
brown.
bleach, she buy a color. One fat brown bleach out there.
Cause
I don't like her.
me get for link coloring book as I tell you, and me get for meet her. And how she a behave and she a ask me say who am my mother and show me my mother and she a like call her right name Alia Williams. And me say yeah my mother
That
you
they
know
gonna
her.
give me name in her mouth.
Yeah, some like me shocked.
That
Wanna really have
strike
to
her.
mommy. Because what me I see is like you don't like her as what you tell me and she not like it. So what
Let
kind
you
of
write this
vengeance you not care for no one
No,
else?
I'm a good man. Just don't like her. She cannot be trusted. So even though coloring book a good person, may I beg you do me son, be careful around her. She cannot be trusted. Let me tell you, a snake on the grass.
Well, I never like your reaction when she give me when I go over there. I swear.
Let me ask you a question. You all witch right over there? You know one that over there?
No, I'm not seeing a daughter over there.
You sure?
I'm sure I'm not seeing a...
One slim black girl?
No, I'm not seeing she had no daughter over there and I not hear coloring book even say no little girl over there because you know coloring book talk to me about anything so I never hear him say nothing. How he talk say him and the woman alone live so I don't really know. But
We said don't like
both
her.
town don't know too much about one of them moment like some serious matter for the between the two.
Listen to me, the past is the past. All I need to know say, me don't like the little witch. That's all I need to know. Me don't like her.
Well, I have a bigger problem because right now I'm a coloring book alone in the dark because two are with blank and I don't know nothing what go on. I two I don't know what go on. I'm gonna make some tea for you, mommy.
No, so you can make some porridge, man. And some porridge.
You oats in there? Alright, just come on forever. I'm gonna say rain and Jesus son and I want to
Normally, I been a house hot and the fan not help me. That's why I come out as a house.
Alright, but if the rain come down, go hard though, mommy, I have to come inside though.
Yeah, but
Because
I'm
it
not
will blow
going.
up on the veranda.
Look how my foot them, son. Let me foot them swell. My joints them pain now. If it come like my whole body a pain me right now.
Mommy, so this I'm having in my hand. Let's start. So if anything where the devil have you so fear, mommy, me I tell you, the money
You know, you know,
our
go
Father God,
backfire upon them,
I'm
man.
buying up back everything and send in a pit of hell. No stage 4 fear, my mother.
Here, remember, tell Clarence books and say thanks. Please remember to tell him.
No
So
voice
me say
nothing, man.
thanks.
I feel like me fi tell
Actually,
him
you
in
don't even know
person.
what you do for me. Yeah.
And I know you don't meet coloring book, you know.
I don't meet him, but he sound like a one good person. And when do they, sound like he is a good person? So I tell him thanks to me.
I'm going
And please
inside.
be careful like which way I have over there. Puppy, me no, puppy.
Mommy,
Me no feel good where you there.
I don't have pharmacy, me they want you.
If I come feel like me go blackout.
Now come. Watching man, you guys made it to the end of this movie. Good friend turn enemy. People remember say in our life, you know, a whole heap of good friend will have a turn enemy, you know. You understand? Say, see the movie, you know, say a whole lot, you know, go through the movie in a real life, you understand? You know, say movie them how push out, you know, say a realistic thing you go on in a real life. You understand? So just stay tuned for your movie them. Because we've been a drop a good movie them phone, you know, so just continue to support Wrld TV. You understand? And I want to big up Kim and her kids them, you understand? Martina, Anti, you understand, Papi, Prince, and the whole of them fought from Augustown, you understand, and they always a share love to Wrld TV and Coloring Book TV and the whole team, you understand. So let's big up all our fans them always a support we from overseas and from JA, you understand. Big up on yourself, one love.
More big up Finey too.
Finey, big up yourself. Happy belated birthday and the whole of Spanish Town. Rachel, Rajay, Miss Margie, you understand? Whole family, whole of Spanish Town. And big up Raquel said we, mother of Rajay and Finey them. You understand? One love, Wrld TV we say. Room.